check out this cloud. Just before I recorded this, I spotted it, and then the part that's like a half circle, it was actually almost a full complete circle. And then when I thought about recording it, I pulled my phone out, started recording. By the time I did that, it had transformed into the shape that it is right now, kind of like a C shape. I just thought it was super unique, super cool. I've never seen a cloud in this shape before, and figure that you guys may like it. So tell me what you think.